guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's my friend Beti.
Hi guys, how are you? What? What? I didn't mean, well, I don't know how y'all are, but like,
You gotta explain yourself, Beti. You gotta
I don't
explain
even know why I said that. I don't even know. That just came out. I don't know what happened. Okay. Take 2.
Hey guys.
Okay.
What the fuck was that? Alright, ready? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amirah Danielle, and here I have my friend Beti with me.
Hey guys, you can follow me or subscribe to my channel at BeatByBeti.
Yeah, so today we did the 5-minute makeup challenge, and
this is the final result.
yeah, I don't know what this is.
I don't even, and I cheated with the lip gloss, okay?
Yeah,
but,
same.
like, I didn't even get mascara.
First of all, I need lip liner.
First of all, I did a whole new face. I don't know what happened.
Yeah,
She did a better job than I did. She got to everything except what? What else? What did you do?
Oh, I didn't set my under eye.
Okay. I didn't even get to my eyebrows.
So if you want to see us do the 5-minute makeup challenge, just stay tuned.
Yeah, just keep on watching. Just
yeah. Are you ready?
Let me start it.
Beti's going to set the timer, and we're going to get started.
Alright, I'm gonna start it right now.
Oh my.
Ow, it's in my eye.
What is in my mouth? Taste it. It's in my mouth. You're doing your eyebrows first?
I'm burning my eyes. Oh, you're right. Maybe I should do my face first.
I mean, do you, boo?
No, you're right. Okay. I'm gonna use this.
Okay.
Fucking sample.
It's like it's tacky. I'm using my Super Stay. Y'all know this is my ish.
God, I can't even color correct. First of all, and I am a perfect. I matched myself very perfectly when I asked this guy for that shampoo. But I did not know what my color
I'm actually different colors. I feel like I'm different colors. Like.
Yeah, I feel like I am too. And I don't even use brushes to blend in my foundation.
Me either. Oh shit, I didn't start. Okay. Using. I don't even think y'all care what I'm using, to be honest.
Yeah, no.
Oh my god, I'm just like swiping this all over. How many? Oh,
3
oh my god, we only have. What? How did that go so fast?
I don't understand.
Oh my god. Alright.
It's because we're being perfectionists. Like, it's not. We have to be like.
Okay. 5 freaking minutes.
Why is it taking so long to blend some freaking foundation?
Oh my god, I stopped
blending.
blending. I stopped blending.
Oh my god, I can't close it.
Fuck it.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Oh, we got 3 minutes.
Literally 2 minutes and 59 seconds.
Oh my god.
I feel like my shit is not going to be blended out. Like,
yo, I'm about to look like Who Shot John. That's okay.
my shit is not about to be blended, bro.
Oh, I never blended so quickly in my life.
But you know what? Like, even, oh my gosh. We are literally taking forever.
Like, why is it taking this?
How long do we got? 2 minutes and 20 seconds? What is this?
Oh my god.
Not just put some bronzer on this drawing.
How will I even have time to set my
Shit.
Okay, Dad can't put my lashes on. Let's put A fact. That's a fact.
This was a thing? It's 5 minutes and stuff. I thought it was 10.
I feel like, you know when you're in your dreams when you can't rhyme, like you're and then you rhyme slow.
I pulled my whole eye out. Oh my god.
Oh my god, please be careful.
I put the whole freaking wand in the... Let me just... 1 minute and 15 seconds, bitch. I didn't even bring my fucking...
Let me just set my fucking face. What the fuck?
Oh my god, this looks so bad. Like, I can't even fast on it. Oh, my eyebrows. How much time I got? We got less than a minute. Where's my fucking dip brow? Oh my god.
No, I'm not even watching what I'm doing right now. I'm just like doing it. Like.
Oh shit, I'm scared.
I'm so proud of myself. We got 25 seconds. Oh my god, this bro's too much.
Oh my god, I didn't even bring a lippy out here.
It's okay, use lip gloss. Oh my gosh. I don't even have on the mascara. I don't even have on any lips. You're cheating. Okay, this is, I think Amirah beat me.
I didn't even
You
set
have
my
eyebrows. Look at your eyebrows.
What are my eyebrows, first of all?
Okay, I don't think I did too bad face-wise. Like, I don't have
feel like I
eyebrows,
look a
but
mess.
I don't have eyebrows, but like, and I didn't even get to mascara.
Where did the MAC thing go? So I can look at
Yo, that was the fastest 5 minutes of my life.
Why don't class time go by?
You don't look ugly at all.
First of all, I'm hit.
No, I literally.
Let me see.
Whatever.
You don't look ugly. You just need some color, like some eyeliner. I mean, some mascara.
Okay, let me just.
Like, can we get another 5 minutes?
For real, like, oh, that's
What
just
is
so
this?
intro, man. Let me just put it onto the bus.
Yeah. I think I got through everything.
Yeah, I did.
Except for eyeshadow.
I don't know how she did eyeshadow.
I didn't.
No, I'm talking about Carly Bible.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell? Is she on fucking, like,
She had, I was gonna say,
like,
she had a special 5 minutes.
She had a special 5 minutes. Like,
That's my sis though.
yeah, for real.
We should have did I tried following such and such as Mika.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was funny.